Case Study 3. Did Rizal retract? Jose Rizal is identified as a hero of the revolution for his writing that center on ending colonialism and liberating Filipino minds to contribute to creating the Filipino nation. It is understandable, therefore, that any piece of writing from Rizal that recants everything he wrote against the friars and the Catholic Church in the Philippines could deal heavy damage to his image as a prominent Filipino revolutionary. Such document purportedly exists, allegedly signed by Rizal a few hours before his execution. This document, referred to as the Retraction, declares Rizal's belief in the Catholic faith and retracts everything he wrote against by the Church. Rizal's Retraction. CM on 18 May 1935, I declare myself a Catholic, and this religion in which I was born and educated, I wish to live and die. I retract with all my heart whatever in my words, writing, publication, and conduct has been contrary to my character as son of the Catholic Church. I believe and I confess whatever she teaches, and I submit to whatever she demands. I abominate Masonry as the enemy which is of the Church, and as a society prohibited by the Church. The diocesan prelate may, as the superior ecclesiastical authority, make public this spontaneous manifestation of mine in order to repair the scandal which may acts have caused, and so that God and people may pardon me. Manila, 29 of December of 1896, by Jose Rizal. The documentation of the retraction of Jose Rizal. On May 18, 1935, the lost original document of Rizal retraction was discovered by Archdiocesan activist Father Manuel Garcia, CM. The discovery, instead of ending doubts about Rizal retraction, has in fact encouraged it, because the newly discovered text retraction differs significantly from the text found in the Jesuits and Archbishop's copy, and the fact that the text retraction which appeared in the Manila newspaper could be shown to be exact copies of the original but only imitations of it. This means that the friars who controlled the press in Manila had the original, while Jesuits had only the imitations. Significant differences between the original and the text copies of the retraction. One of the most intriguing of all the issues of Jose Rizal was his alleged retraction, which was all about his reversion to the Catholic faith and all other issues linked to it, such as his marriage to Josephine Bracken. That issue was claimed to be true by the Roman Catholic defenders but asserted to be deceptive by anti-retractionists. They claim that the retraction document is a forgery, but handwriting experts concluded a long time ago that is genuine. Rafael Palma's opus on Rizal, titled Biografia de Rizal, is so anti-Catholic that the Church successfully opposed its publication using government funds. In an article authored by Roberto Paulo, Rizal's affiliation in Masonry was accounted to have caused drastic change to his religious ideas. It was the moment Rizal set foot on European soil when he was exposed to a great deal of distinction between what was happening to his country, discriminations, abuses, partialities, injustice, and some other things to cause sufferings to his countrymen. Number 1. Instead of the words "mi cualidad" with you, which appear in the original and the newspaper text, the Jesuits' copies have "mi calidad" with you. Number 2. The Jesuits' copies of the retraction omit the word Católica after the first iglesias, which are found in the original and the newspaper text. The Jesuits' copies of the retraction add before the third iglesias the word misma, which is not found in the original and the newspaper text of the retraction. With regards to paragraphing, which immediately strikes the eye of the critical reader, Father Balaguer's text does not begin in the text's second paragraph until the fifth sentences, while the original and the newspaper copies start the second paragraph. Immediately, with the second sentences,